In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to save a Canva presentation to PowerPoint step by step. If you've created a presentation in Canva but need to present it in Microsoft PowerPoint, share it with someone who uses PowerPoint, or upload it to a system that only accepts PPT files, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process quickly and easily. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss any important settings. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software tutorials just like this. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to canva.com. Log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're inside Canva, open the presentation that you want to save as a PowerPoint file. You can either select an existing presentation from your recent designs on the homepage, or choose a presentation template and customize it. If you're starting from scratch, simply click on Presentation, pick a template that fits your needs, and make your edits. Add your text, images, animations, and any other elements you want included in your slides. Once your presentation is fully ready and you're satisfied with the design, the next step is to download it in the correct format. To do that, go to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Share button. This will open a drop-down menu with different sharing options. In the Share menu, look for the option that says See All. Click on See All to expand the full list of download and sharing formats available in Canva. After clicking See All, scroll through the list of file types until you find Microsoft PowerPoint. It may appear as Microsoft PowerPoint.pptx. This is the format you need in order to open and edit the file in PowerPoint. Click on Microsoft PowerPoint to select it as your download format. Once you select Microsoft PowerPoint, you'll see the option to download your presentation. If your presentation has multiple pages, you can choose to download all pages or select specific slides if needed. In most cases, you'll want to keep it set to all pages so the entire presentation is exported. After confirming your selection, click on the Download button. Canva will now begin converting your design into a PowerPoint file. Depending on the size of your presentation and your internet speed, this may take a few seconds. Once the file is ready, it will automatically download to your computer, usually into your Downloads folder. Now simply locate the downloaded .pptx file on your computer and double-click it. It will open directly in Microsoft PowerPoint. From there, you can edit text, adjust formatting, run your slideshow, or share the file just like any other PowerPoint presentation. Keep in mind that while most design elements transfer perfectly, some advanced Canva animations or special effects may not fully convert into PowerPoint format. If you notice any slight formatting differences, you can quickly adjust them inside PowerPoint after opening the file. And that's it. That's exactly how to save a Canva presentation to PowerPoint quickly and easily. As you can see, it only takes a few clicks once you know where to look. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Canva tips, PowerPoint tutorials, and easy step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.